Hello everyone and welcome once again to Maths is
Fantastic! Maths is fantastic! Yay!
Today we are here with a fun activity for you guys called tables and chairs. For this activity we need number blocks, or they're also called interlocking cubes. So we need them. Why do we need them? As you guys might have guessed, we will be making tables and chairs with these number blocks.
This is Mummy's chair.
Yes, I made this one to show to Nusaiba that we can make chairs and tables using interlocking cubes or number blocks. And Nusaiba and you guys at home need to try to make your own tables and chairs. It doesn't have to look like mine. This is just as an example. You guys can make your own tables and chairs using number blocks. And Nusaiba here will be trying to do that. So, are you guys ready? Get your number blocks or interlocking cubes ready, and then let's begin. Put them away. So let's put them away. And are you ready, Nusaiba?
Yes!
Okay, I'm putting my chair here. Okay, and here are the cubes. So, can you start? Can you make your own table and a chair, please? But remember, the challenge here is we need to make sure that the chair needs to go under the table. You know, like when you have a dining chair, it goes under the dining table.
Yes.
And then it comes out and goes in, just like that. That's what we need to do. We need to make sure our sizes are correct so that the chair can go under the table. Okay, are you guys ready?
Yes.
Are you ready, Nusaiba?
Yes, first I'm going to make the table.
Okay. So, I will also break my chair and I will also make it all over again while Nusaiba makes her table.
Can you make it different?
Okay, I can try.
Should I make this one or not on the table?
It's your decision. It's completely up to you. What size you want, you will decide all that. We just need to make sure that the chair can go under the table. It can slide in and out. That's the challenge. Just putting my number cubes.
Look, I can insert it anywhere I want.
Nice. Keep going.
And all the wet ones.
You can use any color.
I want white, so it's like shinier.
Oh, okay. Okay. How about I try to make a smaller chair? So if you guys can make your chairs and tables after you finish making tables and chairs, you can extend your task by making it bigger and smaller. Just like in Goldilocks, she had Papa Bear's chair, a big one, a medium-sized chair for Mama Bear, and a small one for the baby bear. So you guys can make 3 sizes of chairs too once you're done with tables and chair challenge. So before my chair looked big medium size like Mama Bear's chair, so now I will make
it looks like baby
chair. I'll make it even smaller for even tinier baby.
That's newborn.
Okay.
And all the white ones. Do you have any lights?
No, finished.
Oh.
You can do yellow. How many number cubes are you using for your legs of the table?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I'm making a small chair, so I'm just using 3 for now. And then let's see.
I have all these 2 blocks, so just move them through.
Which ones?
These 2 yellow ones.
It's okay to make mistakes because it will help you learn. And this activity is a good problem-solving activity. You have to make sure the chair and the table are good size for the challenge to work.
Which one are you making?
I'm trying to make a smaller chair.
Can you also make a table?
Yes, I'll see if you have any number blocks left. I'll try. What do you guys think so far?
Oh, nice.
It's like a stool now.
Maybe I can stand on this.
You can even make this little furniture for your dollhouse, for your dolls and stuff.
You want me to bring my doll?
Maybe at the end, once you finish making tables and chairs, see if your dolls can sit on it.
I'll also bring my normal ones.
Yeah. Ones also need chairs to sit.
Can you also make like a chair that's like a shell?
A shell?
A shell chair.
Bit of a challenge using number cubes.
I can do that.
Okay.
Then I make my table.
Whoa.
Oh,
What happened? Can you show us on the camera what you're trying to fix? One, two, can you count them loudly? So what happened here is that, yes, wait a second. So what happened was when Seba placed her table, she saw and realized that her table was a bit wobbly and there was something not right. And then she realized by counting all the legs that one number cube was missing, because then she counted all the legs and realized that all of the other had
an extra.
Had how many though? 8?
6.
6. Oh, okay, and that one only had 5. So now you fixed it. Now it's not wobbly at all. Well done. That's actually a big table. Probably for Papa Bear.
It's everyone can share. Yeah.
Share. Already I made a baby bear chair.
Wow, that's good.
It's for the baby.
I can put Katie in there.
Yeah. Katie is the Saber's doll.
Private doll. The cat.
So I'm ready, guys. What do you think?
This is going to be for Tita.
Who's that?
The traveling doll.
Oh, Saber has named all her dolls. Kika is Saber's traveling doll, which Saber will show you when she completes her table and her chairs. Are you making a chair now?
Yes, I'm making a window.
And how big is your chair? How many number cubes in its leg?
Back bit.
Oh, okay. You're starting with the back. Oh, interesting. Everyone is different, isn't it? I started off making the legs and the sitting part first. You're doing great. You're doing it. And when you guys are done making it, please make sure to send us some pictures. If you want, you can send us the pictures, and what we can do in the next video, we can show it to our friends.
Can you upload this row of the purple?
Yes. So don't forget to take pictures of your work and send it to us if you would like, for us to show it in the next video.
I need a purple.
Sorry about that. Blue came out too.
It's done.
That's one big fancy chair. That's Nusaybah's chair. All done, Nusayba.
And
Do you want to see if it fits? It goes under the table.
on these bit I made contrasting colors. So I started with purple, then I decided which color then goes with purple. Then for the yellow, then I decided which color goes with yellow. Then I decided red. Then I said which color goes with purple. And now I have some who's always green.
What's on? It looks amazing. Very colorful.
This is a rainbow.
So it's going under the table very nicely.
Everyone,
That's very good. What do you guys think? The big chair. Is it for Papa Bear?
yes, can I bring my dolls?
Yes. So you go ahead and bring your dolls and let me sit.
But I have more dolls than I have more than 2 dolls. I'll just make all of them maybe to do different combinations.
Okay. So while Nusayba gets the dolls, I'll arrange the table.
This more. I have my baby mermaid. I have Katie.
I thought they all fit.
I have Pika. And the mum mermaid. Also with 2 more dolls.
Okay.
Elf, and Phil, and Elsa.
So who's coming for tea party today? Because we only have space for 2 guests.
Yeah, but we'll do all of them in different combinations.
Okay.
So first, we do the mummy mermaid and her little mermaid.
Oh, done.
Now,
You didn't eat much.
Chica.
She-
Chica and Katie.
What is it?
Her legs, Chica's legs are so long. They don't have enough space for Katie.
Oh, but they can balance. I want some tea.
No.
You guys can have a Smartie.
Okay. Yummy. I want the blue one. And I want the pink one. I want purple. That's just fair. This shade is just like my cheeks.
Just put it in front of them. We can eat slowly.
Yeah, breakfast served.
Yay! And what's the last
They
combination?
finished. Do you want some more?
No, my tummy's full.
Okay.
Let's go.
Your earring moves.
So what's the last combination we have?
Belle and Elsa.
Who will fit in the smaller chair?
Elsa.
Sorry, Elsa, you have to sit in the baby chair today.
What happened to her bum? I had to swallow something.
Let's have a tea party.
I'll take a belief, my favorite color, in green. That's just like my shirt. And I'll take pink for my head, brown and yellow. And brown for my hair. And I was actually yellow for my hair too. Yum,
Okay.
yum, 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 yum.
So goodbye, guys. Time to go home now.
Bye. It's a good time having a tea party.
So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed making tables and chairs with us. And if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Subscribe to our channel so we keep making more videos. Until next time, bye!